Good evening. I got new claw machine. You want to show about my claw machine? Yes?
Yeah.
Let's open
it. Wow. How much is that, Norein? You know that?
2,000.
200.
200,000. I forgot.
200,000. Wow. So very expensive, right?
It's cheap.
It's cheap.
We got the claw machine with the dolls and oops.
How many dolls do you have?
6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. The frog too.
What?
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6.
Okay.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Yes. So we close the box. Oops. We close the box over here. And we close the cap. And this is the food. And this money will get the prize. So this is where you get all of these fluffy animals. And this is you get the prize from the money. So money is not in the claw machine. Claw machine only for adults. So, okay, let's get started. Here, and we'll make it sound like da 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 da. There.
How you use the doll machine?
Just press the button.
Yeah, you got it.
No.
Okay, good, you got it. Yay!
Yes, I really get it. I get a panda.
Yeah, that's the panda.
And I need to get more animals.
More animals? Yeah, you got it again. Oh no. Just stop. Way.
I got a cat.
Okay, the cat now. Oh no. More. Try again. Okay, good. Ow.
Guys,
What?
is that perfect?
Yeah. Yeah, you got it. Okay, good. You have 3 dolls now. Okay. It's so easy.
Easy. I get another cat.
Wow.
Green cat.
Good.
Whoa, I get 2. I forgot.
Wow, you get it. Yeah.
I got another frog. Yes. Oh. Frogs are there.
No.
Get it!
You got it. Yeah.
Okay guys, this is all the animals. We can teach about kids about animals. This is a frog. Looks like a frog like this. Panda. Oh, okay, this is cat and cat. So yeah, and hi and bye guys. Good try. See you again. Have a nice day. I like it nice about my claw machine. This is my new toys and my security. Bye. Bye. See you next time. I like you. I love you. This is all my dogs and my claw machine. Bye, guys.